You're like, look at this place. Look how they got the all this trash and shit around the press. That transmission been sitting there for months. This is how they store the machines. It's willy-nilly, like all over the place. No rhyme or reason or whatever. Scrap metal going there. Faucet never works. And why I get drywall like that all smashed up, but look like it's getting a fight. Spider webs all on the screw jack. Spider webs all up there. Window all messed up. Dirt all on the wall. This supposed to be the employee bathroom, but nobody ever uses it. Can you understand why? Everybody goes up to the customer bathroom. Nobody ever comes in here. But it stays propped open with this jack stand all the time. This room or whatever, I get throw junk up in there. Never use it. No heat in the winter, so they use these torpedo heaters. Nobody ever use that old sink over there because the water don't run. Turn it on, nothing comes out of it. Oh, a little trickle, huh? Okay. There was an oil leak one day. They put some oil dry down. Never got it up. That was weeks ago. Still there. Look at this mess. Holes all over the place. That hose leaks all the time. Water just leaks there all the time. If I wanted to use the workbench, I couldn't. It's all cluttered all the time. Why is cleaning supplies over here? No gas in there. Why is the gas can over there? Why is the hose real down there instead of up there? Why is the insulation leaking off the ceiling? Oh well. Raggedy ass place. Them furnaces don't work because the gas ain't on. They just stay like that all the time.